We want to remind everyone not to ignore issues when they show up. Sometimes they seem very minute and, it's a dripping faucet and you only think about it when you're brushing your teeth every morning and you see it. We've had customers call us and tell us that we've had this thing's been dripping for months and now we've got 3 things that are dripping and the water bill went up. And come to find out that the water pressure of the house was actually the cause of the first dripping faucet. So if they called us in the first instance of having something dripping when it shouldn't have been, we not only could have fixed just that one fixture, but also fixed that pressure issue and eliminated from having to do the other 2 repairs that you had to have done because the pressure just kept causing more damage to other fixtures. So we highly recommend not letting what seem to be small symptoms go uninspected or unresolved. It can be drippy faucets, it can be weird noises in the walls, it can be gurgling sound coming from a fixture when you're using something else, banging noises, we hear that a lot, water hammer where there's a pipe rattling inside of a wall. Water heaters should not be making noise. If you hear your tank type water heater moaning, that's not a good thing. Things that sound like a tuning fork or a train going through the house, that's a sound that's quite common with plumbing, but that's not a good thing. You want to address that right away. If you're running a faucet and you hear a wong kind of thing going on in the house, vibrating, that's no good. Yeah, I cannot express enough that when you first hear something a little bit out of place, that's the time to get someone to come out and take a look at it and hopefully catch something early and eliminate further issues.